Did you know 9 out of 10 organizations are held back by outdated hardware? This legacy infrastructure hinders innovation and growth. Yet, critical applications still depend on it. As time goes on, hardware failures are inevitable, performance drops, and maintenance costs soar. On the other hand, legacy applications execute their business-critical workloads, and they don't need to be replaced. Re-architecting them is complex, expensive, and time-consuming. Fortunately, there is a smarter way forward. Stromasys Charon moves your entire system to the cloud, not in months, but in days. You will have the same applications and the same user experience, just without the limitations of legacy hardware. Charon on the cloud transforms legacy systems with unmatched benefits. Hardware failure risks disappear when legacy systems move to the cloud. Costs are optimized with cloud's pay-as-you-go consumption model. Application speed increases thanks to modern cloud processing power. No application recertification and end-user retraining are required. System capacity scales up or down in minutes instead of months. Cloud's disaster recovery best practices become available. Trusted by global leaders, Stromasys has already empowered hundreds of organizations worldwide to protect their operations. Visit www.stromasys.com to get started today.